people tend to use the word soulmate so vaguely, and I never actually knew what it meant until I met you. We got this immense connection, and you get me and I get you. You make me a better person overall. Since the day I laid my eyes on you, I knew that you were the one. You are intelligent, unique, funny, amazing, a natural-born leader, confident, passionate, supportive, and beautiful inside out. You really make me a better man, and I do not see myself spending the rest of my life without you being part of it.
Everything's finally right. The dark made peace with the light. I'm gonna love you tonight, like the land meets the dawn. Lay down our hands and rest in this midnight holiness. Something so honest and raw. Would you come be my only one? All I want is a promise.
You okay?
Yes, you are so amazing.
Thank you. You know, I always tell you my prayer. I always ask God to give me someone that fears Him, that's fun to be around, and you know how God is. He always gives us more, and He gave me you. You are just wonderful, amazing. You always here for me, and I really do not see myself with anyone else for the rest of my life but you. So for that reason,
Oh my God.
Claudia Sue's Glide. Would you marry me?
Yes, baby. Yes, yes, yes. Okay.